Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to show you this powerful AI search engine site where you can find anything there. This site gives you different options where you can browse through them and find your results in. Okay, so let's go to u.com. u.com. Okay, it will take you to their website. So u.com, you chat, you code, you write, you imagine, and we have more here. Okay, so the AI search engine you can control. It saves your time, it gives you more resources and your privacy. Okay, so let's search for something. Okay, so today we'll be programming. So let's write a regression code in Python. So let's search write a regression code in Python. Okay. Okay, so we have some results here. Okay, so this search engine and this AI search engine gives us different kind of results which you can choose from. Okay, so we have the raw python.com. Let's open that one. And we have the Greek. Normally I like the coding from the Greek. Okay. We have this one too. We have another Greek. Okay. So we have results from this one. So as you can see, this one is explaining and also giving some diagram of regression in Python. Also giving us some examples with code or the syntax which you can copy and run it and it will work. So it's giving us a random figure in the array. Okay, so let's go to the Greek. Okay, so linear regression, Python implementation. Simple linear regression, we have the y and the x. Okay, so let's go down. It gives us the formula. Okay, so we have the code here. So if you are new to machine learning, you can use the u.com and you search for the code you want in Python. You can learn from there. So we have the Python code for linear regression. Okay, so let's copy the code. Okay, let me open Anaconda and navigate to Spider. Okay, so let's go. We are going to run the code to see whether it's correct or whether it will not give us error. So this is the estimated coefficient. We have the B0 and the B1. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our Python Spider and paste the code here. Okay, so here's the code. Let's run and see whether it will give us the same result. Okay, good. So it's giving us the same result. So it's imported the NumPy and also the matplotlib. The matplotlib is the diagram here. Okay, so it gives us a random observation or data set. Okay, so as you can see, the result gave us good results. Let's check here too. Okay, so import organization. Okay, import. So you can learn from this site. Okay, so let's search for another one. So write a simple calculator in Python. Let's see. Okay. So write a calculator program in Python. Okay, so let's select the first one. Okay, so it's loading. It's loading. So we have the Python program to make a simple calculator. Okay, so let's copy the code and let's check. Let's go to Spider. Let's paste it there. Okay, so let's run it and see. Okay, good. So select operation. We have the option 1, add, subtract, multiply, divide. So we want the option 3. Okay, so our first number and second number 0, which will give us 0. Okay, so the answer is correct. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. See you on the next video. Peace.